why you make it hard.
Every time that we rock, you wanna come of the roll. I got my hands on the wheel, but you were taking control. Yeah, when you setting the pace, you got me gritting my teeth. Cause if I'm wanting a taste, I better turn up the heat. The whole wide world is spinning around. You got millions and millions that keep their head to the ground. I pick it up. My way 7 miles ahead. I wanna hold that attention. I wanna be in your head again. I like it when you going making me crazy. But every time you know it hits a little harder. And I wanna go up and make it more on your mind, more on your mind, on your mind, more on your mind, more on your mind, more on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
And I wanna go up and make it more on your mind, more on your mind, on your mind, more on your mind, and make it more on your mind, more on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
Yeah, you making me push and then you get out and pull. Ooh, you revving my engine like I could run with the bulls, like I could sing at the top of my lungs. And then you fuck me so good, you got me speaking in tongues. The whole wide world is spinning around. You got millions and millions that keep their head to the ground. I pick it up. My words 7 miles ahead. I wanna hold that attention. I wanna be in your head again. Oh, I like it when you going making me crazy. But every time you know it hits a little harder. And I wanna go up and make it more on your mind, more on your mind, on your mind, more on your mind, more on your mind, more on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
And I wanna go up and make it more on your mind, more on your mind, on your mind, more on your mind, and make it more on your mind, more on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
Lift me up, take me to the limit. Never enough that you got me in it. I don't wanna break all the records I don't wanna wake up on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
And I wanna go up and make it more on your mind, on your mind, on your mind, on your mind. And make it more on your mind, more on your mind.
Baby, why you make it hard?
You've been acting distant. I'm trying to find the issue. Really should've listened. I feel like something's missing. Expressing how you feel is tense when we chill. Please just keep it real. Ooh, you're here but you're not. Who else got your heart? I know it might hurt, but can you be honest? Be honest. Be honest with me. Be honest. Be honest. Be honest with me. Lately ain't see eye to eye. You keep your head down to speak. I can tell there's something wrong. Tell me if it's best to leave. If so, then I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. I'll go away. If so, then I'll go. I'll go. I'll go. I'll go away. But her heart wants me to stay. Can't sit and watch you start to fade. Maybe it's better this way. Maybe it's better this way. 'Cause you couldn't be honest. Be honest. Be honest with me. Is it so hard to be honest? Be honest. Be honest with me. Why can't you be honest? Be honest. Be honest with me. Why can't you be honest? Be Here is where it all begins, 'cause I've been needing you the most. Lost, looking for you up in the stars, while I have kept you in my heart. Life is worth living. Oh, and you give me all your loving, and our love is a chain reaction. It comes in spurts, so let's keep this moving. Leave all the fears that you have behind, and we'll break every curse, put it on the line. Can't stop fighting for you